the students in India must have some knowledge about the Indian knowledge system. And Indian knowledge system has so much to give them. It is so inclusive that we can relate it with the theories in the world, and we can do some very important researches. So I have just tried to inspire the budding scholars at Amity University so that they are provoked to undertake researches under Indian knowledge system and can do something significant for the present generation and for the coming generation. I congratulate all the students and then thank all the authorities at Amity that they have such a congenial atmosphere of learning and research. Thank you.